Indian Overseas Congress USA Executive Committee and various chapters celebrated the Congress and India Alliance's performance in the recent Lok Sabha elections on June 19th. Coinciding with Rahul Gandhi's birthday, in New Jersey, over 400 IOC members and supporters gathered at Royal Albert Palace, organized by Peter Kothari and other chapter heads. Notable attendees included Pradeep Shamala, Junaid Qazi and Viru Patel. The celebration themed Victory of Democracy, Secularism and the Constitution of India highlighted the importance of democracy and opposition in nation building. Take a look.
If they wanted to be only rich, they could have made unlimited money. But they choose to spend time in jail, in a British jail, and for all of us. No matter current government under the parental organization RSS spread any propaganda or any WhatsApp university or any IT cells, may become a communal blind religious fanatics, but that's not good for us. As few fortunate millions have come to America, a land of opportunity, world's most powerful country, and being less than 1 to 2%, till we got almost everything. So one more time I am going to say, please give a big round of applause to all these soldiers. Now it sounds good.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Anil Patel. I'm an official of Indian Overseas Congress New Jersey chapter. We are gathered here today to celebrate a tremendous victory, a very hard-fought victory. All credit goes to Rahul Gandhi ji. He saw this thing coming from last 2 years. He worked very hard. He walked 10,000 miles, meet everyone. People there, he went within the people and understood what their plights are, and that's where all these issues that he brought up in this election. On the other side, Almighty, they think they are the God. They had all the money, media, all this government, EC, anything you name it. But we work with the people. Indian people showed them that democracy is vibrant and alive. I really thank ITV Gold for giving us this opportunity to and send out our message to the NRI community here, that they can see the difference between these two parties.
Hello, my name is Pradeep Peter Kothari. I am the president of Indian Overseas Congress of USA, New Jersey chapter, and on my right is my chairman, Harkesh Thakurji, and my left is Mukesh Maid, who is the vice chairman for our New Jersey chapter. We are celebrating Indian National Congress victory and India Alliance victory today at the Royal Albert Palace in Fords, New Jersey, one of the very well-known venue. And we are expecting about 400 people to gather here and cheers here about the recent victory and recent fight given to parliamentary election in India. And we have to say that to save the secular democracy of India, the opposition should be very strong, and we cannot allow the hard fight to get freedom and independence from the British colonial occupation. And right now, so much poisonous communal hatreds are spread all over the India, and especially against the Muslim minorities and all the minorities. Congress ideology is strongly believing not to allow the country on that path.
I would wish ITV Gold for covering this celebration that we here in New Jersey are celebrating our victory of Congress Party and Congress Alliance India Party to have scored such a big number. And thank you everyone, and thank you ITV Gold.
Heartiest congratulations to all the congressmen who are out there to get us this strong victory and then a strong opposition. And many congratulations to Rahul Gandhi on his birthday. Go Congress.
Thank you ITV Gold. Thank you Dr. Parikh for sending your team to cover our event. I am so grateful to him. Thank you.
गुरमीत जी, आज हम यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं कांग्रेस का सेलिब्रेशन मनाने के लिए, तो इसके बारे में आप और आपके सैनिक क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखो जी, मैं गुरमीत सिंह गिल, प्रेसिडेंट पंजाब चैप्टर यूएसए। आज हम लोग इकट्ठे हुए हैं पूरे सारे, और भी हमारे चैप्टर है, तेलंगाना चैप्टर है, न्यू जर्सी चैप्टर है, सारे चैप्टर 4 चैप्टर मिल के हम सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं। और एक हमारा फंक्शन न्यूयॉर्क में है, वहाँ पर महेंद्र गिल जी हैं और अरेंजमेंट कर रहे हैं हमारे नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट। और बहुत खुशी की बात है, जिस तरह ये लोग बोलते थे ना, मोदी जी बोलते थे भाई अब की बार 400 पार, अभी वो 300 पार भी नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि अब लोगों को एक दिमाग में डाल दिया था इन लोगों ने कि मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, एक नारा होता था। लेकिन लोगों ने दिखा दिया कि लोकतंत्र जो है वो सबसे ऊंचा बड़ा है, और लोकतंत्र से बड़ा कोई नहीं है।